Yep, you read that thumbnail right. Harbor Freight sells USA-made products. Now, I guarantee when some of y'all out there heard that, y'all were in denial, sitting around looking like this.
Harbor Freight does not sell USA-made products.
Yes, they do. Harbor Freight sells made in USA products. They also sell made in USA tools. Now, this is what I hear all the time.
Nope. Harbor Freight only sells China and Taiwanese tools.
Nope, they do. Harbor Freight does sell made in USA tools and made in USA products. Let me get set up and we'll talk about it. Please, stick around if you want to know. And we'll let all the YouTube comment and keyboard warriors blow up the comment box down below and look something like this. Hi, I'm Buddy. Welcome back to 2 Alpha Tools. And if you stuck around, it's probably because you were wondering, what tools or products does Harbor Freight actually sell that is made in America? You probably ask yourself that same reason just because, well, we'll get into that later, okay? Now, firstly, I do want to mention, I am not a Harbor Freight fanboy, so don't get that in your mind. Especially all you Harbor Freight fanboys that probably still have a MySpace page rolling around and you want to download this and put it on your web page so it just automatically plays and people click on it. But that was pretty cool though back in the day when, you click on anybody's page and then Sting and the Police start playing. Anyways, so let's get into this. Right here in front of me are a couple products that you will find at your local Harbor Freight if they got them in stock, but you'll see them online. First off, we'll start off with the old blue and yellow WD-40. Now, WD-40 is a company. That's right. It's not a can, it's a company. And this company started off in the great state of Cancer, California. Yeah, California. In 1957 in San Diego. Now, this is one of their most popular brands that is a multi-use product. And this can, just go on their website, you'll be able to see that they have all the silicons and greases and lubes and all that stuff. But not only do they have their own company, the WD-40 company, they also own a lot of brands like Stay Lube, and you might even see the old 3-in-1. Yes, this is also a company owned by WD-40. Now, I will put both of their coupons up right here and here. See? Bought them at Harbor Freight. Still got the receipts too. Well, ain't that something? Coupons at Harbor Freight for these two, probably at a better price with the coupons than where you can find anywhere else. I'm just saying. Next up, from CRC Industries, we got Brakleen. You might see these at, anybody's garage, auto hobby shop, wherever. CRC Industries, they're the ones that make this one, Brakleen, that are made in USA from Warminster, I don't know, some city in English. Okay, they're up in easterly side of Pennsylvania. But they have a lot of different products. I'm not sure if you're aware of that, but they got different degreasers and stuff. They even got a brand called Knocker Loose. And I know you probably think that I'm just saying that, Knocker Loose, but no, I promise you. Watch the rest of this video, and when it's done, go to their website as well and take a look. Bunch of different products they sell. Now, this is the only one that I do know of that they do sell at Harbor Freight. And I will throw a coupon of this one right here. Now, you can't beat that, okay? We use these like we only paid a penny. Obviously, we didn't. We don't pay pennies for them, but man, there's so many empties that's probably rolling around in somebody's garage. It's crazy. And if you go to their website, if you look up at the top right, top left, depending on what type of system, whether it be laptop or phone that you're looking at, notice they do have the old Faded Glory up there. So, next up, we got Blaster. Now, I know everybody calls this PB Blaster, all right, but their PB penetrating is just one of the products that Blaster themselves actually make. Now, this company is called the Rust Belt Warriors. All right, that's what they call themselves, at least, the Rust Belt Warriors. Started off in Cleveland, Ohio. Self-proclaimed #1 penetrating goal. All right. Now, Blaster also makes products, so the silicons and the chain lubes and all that. You might even say that they're stiff competition to WD-40. Speaking of stiff, Harbor Freight also sells the American-made company Super Lube. Okay, you done yet? You got all your gutter-minded thoughts out? Why do all my friends have gutter minds? Is it me? No, can't be. Anyways, obviously, not talking about that Super Lube. I'm talking about this Super Lube. Okay? This Super Lube, American made, Bohemia, New York. This Super Lube is the multi-purpose synthetic grease that you can buy also at your local Harbor Freight. I feel like now is a great time to mention something that you don't need a coupon for. And that is, you can click that like button. I'd really appreciate it. And also smash that subscribe button if you feel like you learned something, or if you just like my channel and you want to know more. Now, those were all the USA made products. Okay. I also mentioned that they have USA made tools. So, what company actually makes USA made tools that is sold at Harbor Freight? Well, we know it's not Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh, made in China, made in Taiwan, wherever. Nope, not Icon. Okay. Mill going around in the rumor is that Icon does have a made in USA product, but I'm not here to talk about rumors. I'm here to talk about what you can see online or on the shelf. Now, right now, if you go online to Harbor Freight's website, remember after the video, okay, you will see a made in USA tool. Not sold by Pittsburgh or Icon, but it is none other than their pneumatic brand, Chief. I know, Chief, they actually sell made in USA tools. One of the tools that they sell looks something like, here, I'll show you. What was that? Did you see it? It says made in USA right there on the tang. Now that is their 3/8 and 1/2 inch bolt breaker set. Now some of you tool gurus out there, y'all might have noticed that it kind of looks familiar. Maybe something like, I don't know, this. Exactly. That's the old Mayhew shake and break, right? So Mayhew makes the shake and break tool that also has the Made in USA on it, just like Chief. Now, does that mean that the Chief ones are Mayhew ones? Maybe not. But could it be that they found out what factory that Mayhew makes them out of and contracted them to make their tools as well? Yeah, that's probably likely. But Mayhew also sells a pin set. And guess who else sells a pneumatic pin set? Yet again, looks like Chief got in on the game. So that's not my issue. A lot of companies do this, okay? Including Snap-on, Matco, Mac, doesn't matter. They're all going to do that, okay? It's just nature of the business. When patents run out, they take it. For the bad, this is where I think that people actually do have that question of like, what do you mean that Harbor Freight sells made in USA products? Well, it's because their marketing team does not advertise it at all, like ever. Never, okay? And I don't understand that. For those of you that aren't in the Midwest area, we have Menards. And Menards, not only do they put it on their ads if they have made in USA products, they also put it on their tools. What I have right here is the Master Force. This Master Force is probably rebranded Titan, I want to say. And they have, looky there. Yeah, that's made in USA. I got this not too long ago. If you want to see that unboxing video, I'll throw a link in right here. But this thing is awesome. Like I said, made in USA. Good warranty. Why can't Harbor Freight do that? That's my question. Harbor Freight marketing team, listen up. Okay? I showed all these ads in this video. Did anybody see Made in USA anywhere? No. At least not on their coupons. All right? The only place you see it is right there on the Chief pneumatic tools. And even at that, you still don't tell people that, hey, we have Made in USA products. Now, if you remember Mr. Filterface, that's why that happens, in my opinion, is that they used to shop at Harbor Freight 10 years ago and haven't shopped there since. And they say, oh, well, it's nothing but, the old Chinesium and the Taiwanesium trash. Tools that are in there. No, not all of them. Do they sell junk? Of course they sell junk. We all know that. If you guys want to, let me know. I'll do a video about the 5 worst things I bought from Harbor Freight that I will never buy again. But I appreciate Harbor Freight. I really do. They don't sell they're there for, the DIYer, the weekend warrior that's just trying to get back into the game of wrenching, or, for people that are just on a tight budget and they need it just to make a little bit more money so they can go out and they can, buy more stuff, better stuff. And, some of the Pittsburgh sockets, there's nothing against that, okay? Nothing against having Pittsburgh sockets, especially if you have a plan, right? You have nothing and you need something to get by. Anyways, I appreciate Harbor Freight, not a fanboy, but my issue is Harbor Freight is good at promoting their good, better, best tiers, good, better, best. but they're terrible at telling us, that these products right here, made in USA. Harbor Freight marketing team, hit me up. I got tons of questions for you. I don't understand why you're not letting people know about this stuff. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Next time, if somebody's talking about how Harbor Freight only sells overseas products, go ahead and tell them to watch this video, okay? Please comment down below if you found this information useful, helpful, or if you already knew. I would love to hear from you. But that's all the ruckus in the garage for today. So, for more shenanigans, if you'd like, you click on one of my other subpar videos for your entertainment. As always, bye for now.